Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Anna here, and I'm excited to share something incredible with you all today, a product called Kerassentials. If you've been struggling with stubborn nail or skin issues or are just curious about keeping them healthy in a natural way, then stick around because I've got all the details you need in this video, along with a few important warnings. Before we dive in, let me point out something really important. The official website link for Kerassentials is in the description below. That's the only place to get the real product, so be sure to check it out if you're interested. It's going to be the first link you see in the description of this video. Now, let's talk about what makes Kerassentials so special. It's an all-natural oil made from plant-based ingredients designed to fight fungus and promote healthy skin and nails. The best part? It's completely safe to use and free of side effects. Kerassentials isn't just about fighting fungi. It's a powerful antifungal solution that also helps protect your body from bacteria and infections. Whether you're dealing with stubborn nail fungus or just want to improve the health of your skin and nails, this oil has you covered. Here's a key point: consistency is crucial. If you're serious about seeing results, you need to use Kerassentials every day as a part of your routine. According to the manufacturer, sticking to the treatment plan can help tackle even the most persistent fungi and lead to healthier, stronger nails and skin. Of course, it's important to be realistic. This is a 100% natural product, so you won't see overnight miracles. But with regular use, Kerassentials can make a very big difference. For the best results, the manufacturer recommends using it for at least 3 to 6 months. To make things even easier, you might consider ordering a kit with 3 to 5 bottles, which the official manufacturer provides. That way, you'll have enough to stick with the treatment and really maximize your results. Another great thing about Kerassentials is their money-back guarantee. If you're not happy with the results for any reason, you can contact their support team for a full refund. They're so confident in the product that they stand behind it completely, so you're really trying it out risk-free. On their official website, you'll also find reviews from happy customers who have used Kerassentials to transform their nail and skin health. Their stories truly highlight how effective this product can be when used consistently. If you're looking for a natural, skin-friendly way to get rid of fungi and keep your nails and skin in tip-top shape, I highly recommend checking out the Kerassentials website. It's the #1 choice on the market for a reason. Remember, the official website link is right below this video. Thank you all for tuning in, and I hope you have an amazing day ahead. Take care, and bye for now.